The Mercedes V167 Spacers are wheel accessories that create more space between brake rotors and the wheels. This allows you to add bigger brake calipers correctly. They also increase the track width, hence strengthening the grip. As the gripping power increases, the resistance to rollover enhances. You'll experience better handling and more comfortable driving.
If you install them properly, high-quality Mercedes V167 are exactly safe for daily driving. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. BONOSS provides extremely light BMW wheel spacers that are precisely machined with few hollow holes. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged lateral pass wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption.
BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles.
And then tighten the extended wheel bolts to the wheels. The wheel bolts of BONOSS forged wheel spacers are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high-temperature stress-resistant structure stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. No matter which size wheel spacer you choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure the safety. If you need any help with the wheel spacer selections, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.